these ones, there's no way. I have to take off the gloves to unlock my phone to input the my code. There's no way I could do that with these Alpine Stars. Thanks once again for tuning in. Infamous here. Smoky weather out here, but we're going to be looking at my Rev It gloves. Now these are by far my favorite brand of gloves for the price. Alright, so I've owned these gloves for many years. I've also owned different brands, but this is the one that I like. These are my favorite ones, the ones on my right hand, but I'm going to be showing you guys both of these gloves. I do have the other ones, the Alpine Stars. They're about $50. They're good gloves, but honestly, if you could just spend the extra $30-$40, the quality is so much better on these Rev It gloves. The quality, the build, the material, the stitching, everything about these gloves are you know, first class. World, you know, it's just so much more better than my other gloves.
A few moments later.
And then these are my Alpine Stars. I've had these for about 3 years, and you know, they're okay, you know, for $50. But honestly, if you have the extra dough, you know, an extra $30, I got these on clearance at a closeout. So I got these for about $50 a piece. So that's why I got myself 2 different pairs. These Alpines, it's just since day one. I mean, I don't know if they're making them better. I haven't bought any more gloves from Alpine Stars, but it doesn't hold, as you can see. Look at this. You know, I'm not even, you know, the Velcro, it doesn't hold anymore. I'm not sure if they were this bad when I first got them, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe there's a fix for this. I don't know. Maybe it's just the usage. But I mean, you can see it right here. This is a whole lot better. And another good thing about these Rev It gloves is just the sensitivity when it comes to the touch. See, the sensitivity on these gloves, and it's just, yeah, it's at the, I believe, the thumb. See, it's on the thumb and it's in the finger. On these other gloves, they're painted. You know, look at this. There's a different color, and that's the same thing. You know, look at that. It's really responsive to the touch. You know, this is really responsive. A lot of the times, I'm looking through my music, and I'm trying to get a playlist going. So much easier for me to kind of look for what I want when I'm using the Rev It gloves. See, left side, you know, responsiveness. I could input my code into the phone and I can unlock it with the Rev It gloves. Now the story's different when it comes to the Alpine Stars. Once again, going back to the Velcro, garbage. But and then same thing, let's see, sometimes it's a hit or miss. See, it's just the touch, it's not the same. It's not as responsive, but it still kind of does the job. I just find myself sometimes really trying to get into my playlist, trying to get what song I'm trying to go through. And it's, you know, it's just frustrating when it comes to the Alpine Star gloves, and the quality's, it's not quite there as much as the Rev It, but they're, you know, they're decent gloves. But honestly, you know, if you do have, you know, an extra $20, and $20 ain't that much. $20, it's not that much. Just go for the Rev It's. Honestly, these are my favorite gloves, and as I said, the sensitivity, everything about it is see, just the quality, the softness, the material feels a whole lot more better from Rev It than they do with the Alpine Star. So I can't really compare it with, I guess, the higher quality Alpine Star gloves. I know they do make higher quality, but you know what? Just go for the extra couple bucks. Get yourself some Rev It gloves. I've had the other gloves, the generic ones, and I've had, you know, $20 Amazon gloves. I've had gloves that were, you know, $10, the mechanics. But you can't go wrong with these gloves, guys. These gloves are amazing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. You guys leave your comments down below. What do you guys believe is the better glove? Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys like to wear and what you guys believe is probably better than these. But honestly, for the price, these are great. These are great gloves. So thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what gloves you guys like using, or you know what you guys ride with. You guys let me know. Maybe the higher quality Alpine Stars are much better. I don't know. I mean, after getting these, I didn't want to try another pair of gloves from Alpine Stars. I didn't want to try another one, so that's why I kind of got these, and I've been happy ever since. I haven't looked back with these Rev It gloves. High quality material, and just the feel, the look, the comfort, the you know, just the build quality, everything about them, so much more worth it. Even if it is an extra $20-$30, they're so much more worth it than the Alpine Stars. And everything from functionality to, you know, the touch screen, the responsiveness, everything about these gloves are worlds and worlds apart from the Alpine Stars. But you know what, I'm comparing, like I said, I'm comparing $50 gloves to probably $90 gloves. So maybe that's where those extra $30 go into effect, where they play a difference. But if we're out looking at some gloves, these are good.
It's good. It's good.
It's alright, so thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and just hit that subscribe button if you guys want to keep on seeing more motorcycle content. I'm going to be doing a review on a couple helmets as well, so you guys stay tuned, okay? Later.